As a creative director of the brand, I need all-in-one solution, which is, of course, this Huawei MatePad Pro 12.2 2025. I'm Vince Xavier, the creative director of Don't Blame the Kids. So, we started the brand 2012. Gusto namin maka-inspire talaga ng youth. Yun yung naging goal namin from the start. Naging way namin is to create clothes. Parang doon namin gusto i-share yung story namin ni Kuya, yung experiences namin when we're growing up, yung mga natutunan namin sa ilang years namin na magkasama rin na magkapatid. So, dito sa DBTK namin linabas lahat yun. So, for me, innovation kasi is very important. And for us, it's just combining our message and our product and paano namin siya magagawa na kakaiba for the community. Siyempre, I'm not always here in the office. I'm going to different places, yung meetings, sa stores, traveling abroad. And siyempre kahit nasa vacation ka or what, nandun ka pa rin sa work dahil anytime na may kailangan sila, dapat nandun ka talaga to answer them. So I'm using right now yung Huawei MatePad Pro 12.2 2025. For me, solid siya kasi 3-in-1 na siya. Siyempre may glide keyboard na siya, may M Pencil na siya. And fast-paced lahat kasi ng nangyayari din sa akin. So yun nga, I'm traveling, going to different office. So kailangan ko talaga ng tool na reliable sa akin. And siyempre, when I'm creating yung mga mood board, also using yung GoPaint app when I'm sketching yung new product or new designs na pwede namin na magamit for the brand and also to share to my team.